Hello and namaste everyone. You're watching Smarty Tech Fizz and I am Anjali with a new video related to the MongoDB in Spring Boot application. So today I will talk about that how we can make a criteria with sort, limit and projection, or you can say that how you can find a document using the Spring Data MongoDB or using the Mongo template using the sort, limit and projection. So we are already done with the connection part, find and search document in Spring Data MongoDB, how you can insert, update and delete operation using the Mongo template or Spring Boot or Spring Data MongoDB, right? So today let's start with the new thing, that how we can make a sort, limit or projection in a find query. So this is the application we are already done. I have just commented all the things which we are already done. So let's take some part of it, and if you will see that while finding a document through the MongoDB, we have used the criteria and we have used the query to make a find query to the MongoDB using the Mongo template. So I have just copied this part here. Let me just comment the extra ones. So this which we have done earlier, that we are using the query, we are using the criteria to make search to make any search with where condition, and then we have used the Mongo template to find the document from the MongoDB. So we are done with this. Now what I want, let's firstly run with this only and let me show you what is giving you the result right now. So here it is giving me the result with two lists, right? Here you can see there are two lists. It is giving me the result with this. Now what I want is I want to make a limit on this, that I just want the first document, one document at once, and then what I want, this is the include. Include is used for the projection. If you want to project any field, like we have we have 1, 2 and 3 fields. We have 3 fields in the product collection. So what I want only the quantity to be displayed on the output. So with output as a quantity, we will also get the underscore ID. So if you want to exclude the ID as well, you can use the exclude, right? So I can exclude the underscore ID as well. Fine. So it will include the quantity, it will project the quantity field, and it will exclude the underscore ID. Why am I excluding it? Because when you will use any projection query now, it will automatically give you the underscore ID with the result. It doesn't care about whether you have mentioned the underscore ID in the projection or not. So this is for the projection, this is for the limit, and what I want the result with the sorting thing. What I want to sort, the result should be sorted on the basis of quantity field, but it should be in a descending order. What are the directions it have? It has the direction is ascending or descending. So it depends on you, whatever the sorting direction you want. I want to sort the document on a descending order, but on the field of quantity. So this is what I want to do. I want to make a limit on the result, I want to project the field, I want to make a sorting on the result. So now let me run this code, and this is the Spring Boot Mongo app. So it should be like, it should give me one result only. So it is giving me the one result with the quantity 20, and item is null because we have not included this. And underscore ID is also no, that is why it is also because we have excluded the underscore ID as well. Now let me do the order in ascending. Now again run this with the Spring Boot app, and it should come with some other output. So here we are here with the quantity 10. So this is how we can make a limit, projection and sort in the Mongo template or Spring Data MongoDB using the Mongo template. So this is all about today's video. If you have any query, just comment it down, or you can mail me at the smartytechfizz@gmail.com. I will surely going to reply you as soon as possible, and if I can help you, I will help you out. So thank you everyone, and take care.